Welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my YouTube channel, Mero True Life Story. God bless you. My lovely fans, May Edochie need to be very careful. Very, very careful. This is coming from Destiny Etiko. A lot of people thought that seeing Destiny Etiko with Yul Edochie, they believe that Yul Edochie has bought Destiny Etiko. Not be everybody easy to buy like that, especially when you know the truth of the matter. There is no way Yul Edochie can convince Destiny Etiko. Destiny Etiko know the whole truth when you yourself no know. So thinking that Yo is acting moving with Destiny Etiko, he has bought Destiny Etiko. No, there is no lie to tell Destiny Etiko. Destiny Etiko know the whole truth. Now, Destiny Etiko herself personally reached out to May Edochie. Tell May Edochie say some certain things are going on in the industry, coming from her so-called husband, ex-husband, Yo. Destiny Etiko tell May Edochie say she need to be very careful. Very, 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 very careful. Yo is not joking. That man have evil intentions towards May Edochie. Yo is not happy at all with May Edochie. And according to Destiny Etiko, he say Yo they plan evil towards May Edochie. Because this breakup is hitting him so hard. Yo never believed that May Edochie go leave him. Even with Juju Ekwensu and 10 children. Yo was expecting that at the end of the tunnel, say darkness, say light go off. You know, say people say at the end of the tunnel, you will see light. But Yo was waiting for the light to off. He believed that after marrying Juju, after Juju Ekwensu born 3 children, May Edochie go reconsider him. Yes, that was his belief. His belief was that even if this relationship take 10 years, 20 years, May Edochie will still come back to him. That was what he believed. But what Yo did not know is that May Edochie has moved on. He not believes that May Edochie don't move on. He is still believing on all those Bola warriors. When they talk, say May Edochie is still thinking about Yul Edochie. Yeah, May Edochie want to come back to Yul Edochie. Story for the gods. Before Yo even think of ending the marriage, May Edochie have already ended it when he announced Juju Ekwensu. Destiny Etiko personally reached out to May Edochie. Tell May Edochie say wetin her ears dey hear e too much. May Edochie be very careful. Be very, very careful. Don't trust anybody. Don't trust anybody. Beware of the places you go. Beware of the food you eat. Beware of what you drink. Yo has been calling a lot of people, trying to convince people to hurt you. People close to you. According to Destiny Etiko, she said Yo is telling people that May Edochie did divorce celebration. Say May Edochie just cover up, say, I want to launch my product in Ebonyi State. He said no. He said May Edochie did not launch a product in Ebonyi State. He said May Edochie do party after divorce. Hey! My lovely fans, Yo go buy oh. Yo go buy. So according to him, he said May Edochie did party after divorce. That May Edochie was celebrating. By saying that May Edochie did a launching in Ebonyi State. He said fa. He said the title of the party that May Edochie did was Welcome Home, Our Daughter. Abeg, make una carry Joko, carry check on here this one. This one not be stand and listen. This one not be waka and listen. This one na sit down, balance with popcorn and listen. When I tell una say May Edochie don't drive you and Juju Ekwensu into kilometers. He don't drive them, pursue them. Both of them don't they kolo. Kilometers with suit. Now Juju Ekwensu and Yo they kolo. Yo said The title of May Edochie party is Welcome Home, My Daughter. Hey, aye. Oh, yo. When I go sit down, go watch yo film from the beginning to the end. I don't know, say na win tenje. Now even they say, oh, aye. The thing they pay me. All the time I wasted watching the film. You say the title of May Edochie party is Welcome Home, My Daughter. He said, what? Why are they welcoming her home? It is called party after divorce. To shame him, to bring him down, to disgrace him. He say, you say for everything we May Edochie do, he say, wetin pain and reach that Ebonyi, stay tuned, say no dey. He say that Ebonyi stay tuned, na pain her pass. He say he pain her to a marrow bone. He say, imagine what May Edochie did. Celebrating divorce. Her family members organize a party of her divorce to him. Mocking him, laughing at him, disgracing him. He say, you say you will never forgive. Say, he will make sure, say, May Edochie enemy come down. He say, he go chop winch, he go anywhere where power dey. He go collect am. So father power, now to bring May Edochie enemy down. He said May Edochie enemy must beg him on this social media. He said that disgrace will go disgrace him for Ebonyi State. That shame he brought to him. He said he will make sure he bring May Edochie enemy down. My lovely fans, what we saw was launching of May Edochie QM Beauty. You say it's not launching. He say it's party. Divorce party after divorce. He said the family purposely hold that party. He said they hold that party. It is party after divorce. They were celebrating a return back home. Why will a responsible family be celebrating a return back home of their daughter? You say why? Hey. Wonder shall never end though. Everything where they happen still be like film for you. You never believe that a day like this will come. Destiny could say the thing pain her. He said you need to see the way you is talking about it. He said he told you. Even if May Edochie do party, even if a family welcome her, she deserve it too. Destiny could tell her, say, have you forgotten so soon? What you and Juju Ekwensu did to the summer? Have you forgotten? All the pains. Now come out the dance. They peppered this woman. Waiting person till they lost the mind. But the family stood by her. That same family welcome her home for her to launch her product. May Edochie send down. May Edochie send down invitation. Now you say, why you not come go? Now Destiny could tell and say, when you are posted there, it doesn't mean that by force you must go. Sometimes you can send your own gift or send what you want to send to them. It's not by force say you go. They don't already post you for that paper. It doesn't mean that you must be there. My lovely fan, Destiny could come tell me Edochie say make it very careful. He said the kind things where they hear you they discuss. He don't know you they follow discuss. So he try to listen very well, but he don't know who you is discussing with. She said she overheard you telling somebody that anything at all that will make that woman run away from social media, anything is ready to do it. He said that they in fear. He said you say anything at all to bring May Edochie down. He said the insults done too much, the disgrace done too much. He cannot take it anymore. He said the disgrace is too much. He said May Edochie they bring shame and disgrace to her. He said it's hard time they put May Edochie to where she belong. Now wow, my people. when we thought we've seen it all, when we thought we've heard it all. He said it's that time they put her to where she belongs. He said he no go fold the hand. He said he must do anything to make sure, say, May Edochie enemy run away from social media. Imagine disgracing him publicly, doing welcome back home, celebrating her divorce with her family. Now, QM Beauty, we see May Edochie go lunch. We did not see May Edochie. We did not see May Edochie doing party of welcome home. We saw launching of QM Beauty. See the allegation where you they carry put for May Edochie head now. Destiny Etiko say na so enjoy the narrator and they go. She said she never wanted to tell May Edochie. She just look at it and say, na so you they do. He said not until she heard that secret call. He said you need to see what you was saying about May Edochie. See, imagine that Jamashon I pay na pass. When they for put May Edochie for boys quarter, give her house. They not even give her common boys quarter. They did not give him anything. He said, nah, May Edochie they go celebrate her divorce. Say we'll make sure say May Edochie pay. Say we'll shop anything we need to chop. He said we'll collect powers. We personally go to the deal with May Edochie. My lovely fans, wonder shall never end. That Destiny Etiko tell May Edochie say be very careful of your circle of anything because you they call different people. He don't know who truly they call. He don't know. But he know that there are some people close to May Edochie when they give you your information. Say May Edochie, be very careful. Be very careful. Trust no one. Be nice, be kind, love everyone, but don't trust. Don't ever trust them. Hi, my lovely fans. Now May Edochie Ebonyi State they cause wahala so. Leave your comments in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.